Hi again everyone and welcome back to my channel. Okay, another week, another box. Hinatira na naman tayo ni Ate Rain ng another box. Ayuda box from Secret. I don't know saan nila kinuha ito, kung sa Owings Mill, Baltimore, but thank you so much Ate Rain and Kuya Fern sa paghahatid ng another Ayuda box. So as you guys know, we're gonna have another haul of the things we got from our Ayuda box. Yay! Arte. Anyway, let's get started. So, hindi mawawala. 2 jugs of milk. Thank you very much. Ayan. Sino may gusto ng milk? Sige na, kunin na yan. And then we've got some beef chuck eye roast. Beef chuck eye roast. Beef chuck eye roast. Beef chuck eye roast. So, beef siya. Dapat pala i-freezer ko na to. Hindi ko alam paano ito lutuin, pero pang bulalo. Pwede ba? Let's open the box. So, ready na dapat ako matulog. Sabi ni Ate Rain, huwag ka muna matulog. Pumila kami. So, syempre, alam mo naman ako masunurin. So, ayan. Let's open. Ano ba? Yan. Okay, let's see what's inside our box. Yay! Ay! We have some Everything Bagel Bites. Cream cheese flavor. Ano ba to? Pwede ba to yung freezer? Here it goes. Should I freeze it? Oh my goodness. Another one of these wraps. Please, friends. Ano ba nilalagay sa wrap? Alam mo nagpunta ako sa El Paso before. Naturuan na ako paano gawin to pero nakalimutan ko. So, El Paso friends, share your recipes. We have some hot dogs. And cucumber. Taray. Alam na. Oh my god. The ultimate. Diet na ako. Strawberries. Nice. Diet gold is real. Alright. What else do we have? We have some tortilla chips. Parang biscuits. Thank you. We have some coleslaw. Taray. We have pizza. Sobrang sarap nito. I love this. Yung tuling box, meron nito. Oh my god, so good. And what else do we have? Peanut butter granola bars. Taray, parang support na support yung diet ko dito. Sige. Thank you so much, friends. What else do we have here? Some toffee peanuts. Kamusta naman ang ating mga pimples? Let's go. We've got some baby carrots. Parang healthy ng mga ngayon, no? Ito magbagong buhay na raw. Some crackers. Multigrain crackers pa rin. What are you saying? What are you telling me? Diet na? Wow! Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. Yogurt! Oh, strawberry yogurt. Love yogurt. Ayun nga. Oh, nice. Great. I'm so happy. I'm so glad. And last but not least, apple juice. Yes. Apple juice. Lana. Thank you, Ate Rain. And I have pahabol. I got a package from my friend in El Paso, Texas. Hindi magpapahuli. Actually, nabuksan ko na, but just want to share this with you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to my big sister, Iris Monte, for this care package from El Paso. And I've got some Mexican El Paso, Texas treats. Actually, more of Mexican treats. So I'm just gonna add this to my haul for today. We've got some Boo Boo Lubu, Boo Boo Lubu, Boo Boo Lubu. Hindi makita. Ito pala. Boo Boo Lubu. It's a candy fruit, kind of like cake. Cake ba? Hindi. Parang strawberry chocolate Snickers type of sweets. Pero ano siya? Strawberry and marshmallow. I'm so excited to try this. Excited to try this. My favorite. Oh my gosh. Pulparindo! Oh, ang dami! Oh, pulparindo. We have some more of those pulparindo. Pulparindo is a tamarind candy bar or roll-ups. Super delicious. We love it. Ito, this one I haven't tried before. It's Limon 7 Plus. Looks nice. Tingnan natin. Try natin. And she also got me some cute shirts. Yay! Ayan, marami. Thank you so much, Miss Iris Ann Monte. Thank you so much, Ate Rain. My heart is full. Thank you very much for showering me with all these blessings. And I'll see you guys until my next haul. I love you all. Sweet yan.